In this video, I'll show you how to use threads from Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's jump into this. Instagram have gone to release this brand new app called Threads, and so you may be wondering what it is and how you can use it, and we're going to cover all of that in this video. So as you can see here, it says the Threads app is for sharing text updates and joining public conversations. Just like on Instagram, with Threads you can follow and connect with friends and creators who share your interests. So that's sort of the basics of it. The Threads app is quite comparable to Twitter. As you can see here, posts can be up to 500 characters long and can include links, photos and videos. And so firstly, you need to go and get the Threads app. So for some users, they can go to their profile and then tap on the three bars in the top right, and there may be a Threads option in this list here. I don't have it, so in that case, I need to close off Instagram, then open up the App Store, and all you need to do is go and search for Threads like I did there, and it's then going to go and appear. After it's downloaded, you can then go and click on open, and the app is going to go and open up. And as you can see here at the bottom, it's allowing us to go and log in with Instagram. So for me, it's going to find my GuideRealm account because that's the account I'm currently logged into on Instagram. If this is the wrong account for you, just click on switch accounts at the bottom. In this case, it's correct though. So I'll go and tap on my name. It's going to go and take a moment to load. You can then start customizing your Threads profile. So what you can do is tap on import from Instagram or skip in the top right. I'm just going to go and import it though. And then I'm going to go and tap on next. You can then choose if you want to have a public profile or a private profile. I'm going to keep mine on public, tap next. And then what you can do is go and decide if you want to go and follow the same people. In this case, I'm not going to for now, so I'll press on next in the top right, and then I'll tap on join threads. It will take a moment for your account to be created. It's now loaded, and firstly, I want to guide you through a few things in the app. So at the bottom, we've got this home icon on the far left, and this is going to go and take you to the home page, and you can go and see some threads. And then to the right of the homepage, we've then got the search button. So you can click on here and you can go and search for a specific creator. You may want to look at their profile. And then to the right of the search icon, we then have the create button. So click here and we can then go and start a new thread. So what I could do is type in hey with an exclamation mark. I could then tap on the paperclip icon, and here I could then go and add a photo or a video, but you don't have to, and that's the big difference between Threads and Instagram. You can just use text. And then in the bottom left, you can then choose who can go and reply. I'll have anybody, and then I'll go and tap on post like that, and it's now posting. And we can now go and check it out in a moment on our profile. And then to the right of the create button, you can go and see activity. This is going to be much like your Instagram activity. You can go and see who's gone and followed you. And at the top, you can also go and use filters as well. And then to the right of the activity page, you've then got your profile. And as you can see, you can go and edit your profile here, share it, and you can also go and view content you've posted as well. So I can just go and see the thread I made saying, hey. And then in the top right, you've got the Instagram icon. I'm pretty sure that'll just open up Instagram. And then you've got the three bars in the top right as well. And you can go and check out some of your settings. So that's it, guys. Threads is a really cool app. Of course, you want to go and start following people so you can go and start seeing sort of more things you're interested in your homepage, because at the moment it's quite broad, and that's because I don't follow many people. So yeah, if you guys found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.